This will be a very short video. Today we are going on a bike trip through the heart of the canton of Aargau. Switzerland is not just expensive watches and snow-capped Alps. We will cycle along the Aare River and reach the shore of the incredible Lake Hallwil. I am Babu Nexus. Ready? Let's go. We start in the cozy village of Rineken. It might seem like an ordinary Swiss backwater, but this is where you feel true peace. By the way, the legendary Roman camp Vindonissa was once located nearby. So, we are literally walking on land with a 2000-year history, but something even more impressive awaits us ahead. Let's head south. Just a few kilometers and we are in Wildegg. Look up at the hill. That is Wildegg Castle, founded by the Habsburg dynasty in the 13th century. It looks like a set for a historical film. Luxurious gardens spread out around it, where rare ancient varieties of vegetables and flowers are still grown. Next stop is a town called the heart of this region. Welcome to Lenzburg. This town is a real gem. If you need a bicycle for free, you can just pull one out of the river. Let's move on. On the way, we came across Hallwil Castle, one of the most beautiful water castles in Switzerland. It is located on the Aabach River, just a step away from Lake Hallwil. This castle belonged to the noble von Hallwil family for over 800 years. There is no palace grandeur here, but there is the incredible romance of a medieval defensive outpost. If you're interested, let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate video about it. And here I am, at the final point of my route. This is the best end to the trip. Right now, without any extra words, I'm just going to show you this gorgeous lake, so you can enjoy it just like I did. Canton Aargau proves once again, beauty is hidden in the details and off-the-beaten-path routes. This whole journey took me 3 hours, but it gave me enough emotions for a whole year. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new Swiss routes. Travel, explore, and see you in the next video.